If you want to save time in OneNote and stay more organized, templates are one of the easiest productivity boosts you can use. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use templates in OneNote to create pre-formatted pages for meeting notes, to-do lists, project planners, and more. And if you have your own layout that you use all the time, I'll also show you how to turn that into a reusable template, so every new page starts exactly the way you want it to. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tips just like this. Let's start with the built-in templates in OneNote. These are free, ready-made page layouts that can help you work faster without building everything from scratch. To get started, open OneNote and go to the top ribbon, click the Insert tab. Once the Insert menu opens, look for Page Templates and click it. This will open the Templates panel, where you can browse all the available options. On the left side, you'll see different categories, like business, academic, and planners. These categories help you find a template that matches the type of note you want to create. For example, if you need a clean layout for a team meeting, you can check the business section. If you're taking class notes, the academic templates may be more useful. And if you want something for tracking tasks or organizing your week, the planners category is a great place to look. Now click on any template name, and OneNote will instantly generate a new page with that layout already applied. This is the real time saver. Instead of adding headings, checkboxes, tables, or sections manually, the template gives you a structured page right away. That means you can focus on writing your notes instead of formatting them. For example, if you choose a meeting notes template, you may get sections for the meeting title, date, attendees, agenda, and action items. If you choose a to-do list template, you'll get a simple layout that makes task tracking much faster. And if you choose a weekly planner, you can start organizing your schedule immediately. Now let's move on to something even better. Creating your own reusable template. This is perfect if you already have a page layout you use often, like a custom meeting agenda or a weekly planning page. Instead of recreating it every time, you can save it as your own template and use it again whenever you need it. First, open the Page Templates panel again by going to Insert and selecting Page Templates. Then look all the way at the bottom of the panel. You'll see an option that says Always use a specific template. This is the setting that lets OneNote automatically apply your preferred layout to new pages. From the drop-down, select the template you want to use by default. Once you choose it, every time you add a new page, that template will load automatically. This is especially useful if you always take notes in the same format. For example, if you use a weekly review page every Monday, you can set that as your default and skip the extra setup every time. This feature is one of the best ways to make OneNote feel more personal and more efficient. It helps you build a repeatable system, reduce repetitive work, and keep all your notes consistent across your notebook. So the simple workflow is this. Use the built-in templates when you want a quick starting point, and use the Always Use a Specific Template option when you want OneNote to automatically open new pages in your favorite layout. That combination can seriously improve your productivity. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more OneNote tutorials, productivity tips, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.